Ronaldo, first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram, shares video. Juventus and Portugal forward Cristiano Ronaldo has become the first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram. Monsieur, the five-time Ballon d'Or winner, is the only sportsperson among the top 5 most followed persons on the platform. Monsieur Ronaldo's rival Lionel Messi is 7th on the list with 141 million followers. Ronaldo shared a video of his Instagram journey and thanked fans. Brand that copied almost everything is giving lecture. POCO head to Realme CEO Xiaomi unit. POCO India's general manager C. Manmohan again called rival Realme a copycat brand after its CEO Madhav Sheth responded to his earlier comment. A real innovative brand and market leader. Xiaomi won't behave like that, Sheth had said. Replying to this, Manmohan on Tuesday said, "Hilarious. A real copycat brand that copied almost everything is giving lecture." Apple CEO Tim Cook to visit India. Likely to meet PM Modi. Report: Apple CEO Tim Cook is expected to make his second visit to India around June to July 2020 and is likely to meet PM Narendra Modi. The Economic Times reported on Wednesday. The report added that Apple has delayed its plans to launch company-owned online stores in India from the January to March quarter to August-September quarter. Tim Cook first visited India in 2016. Problem was indisciplined Delhi crowds. Murthy on Amazon event delay. Infosys co-founder Narayana Murthy has clarified on a recent controversy over cutting short his speech at an Amazon event in Delhi which began nearly an hour and a half late. Murthy said the problem was with the indisciplined Delhi crowds who mobbed the entry gates. He added that the delay had nothing to do with Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, who came on time.